Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll help you understand what dividends are. I've talked about dividends in my previous videos, so I just wanted to talk about what they are exactly and how they can help you for long-term investing. So, let's get started. In this video, we're going to cover what dividends are, how often they're paid, what a dividend yield is, the advantages of dividends, we'll go over DRIP investing, and I'll give you a tip to choose dividend stocks. Basically, a dividend is a payment shareholders receive from a company's earnings. Companies can either reinvest their profits or use their profits and give them out as dividends to shareholders. Where do dividends go, you may ask? Well, dividends get deposited into a shareholder's brokerage account. Alright, let's talk about how you can know how much you're going to earn per dividends in a year. So let's take Coca Cola for example. You own 25 shares and they pay an annual dividend of $1.64. You're going to earn $1.64 for each share you own. So this is going to put you at $41 a year. Not too shabby. Typically, mature companies with strong cash flows pay out dividends. Many people choose these companies because these dividend payments are a sign of strength and positive expectations for the future. Most companies pay out dividends quarterly, but some may pay out monthly, semi-annually, or even annually. You must be a shareholder on the record date. There's also a cutoff date called the ex-dividend date. Those who buy after or on the ex-dividend date will not receive a payment. So the next time you're going to buy a dividend stock, make sure to buy it at least 2 days before the ex-dividend date. Alright, let's move on to the dividend yield now. The dividend yield is expressed as a percentage. It is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. The dividend yield can help you compare two different dividend stocks and help you choose the better one. Okay, let's move on to the advantages of dividends. Number 1. Dividends can support a stock price during a market downturn. A reason why dividend stocks may outperform during poor market conditions is because share prices are falling and the investor believes the dividend is safe and the stock is a good buy. The investor can be drawn into the stock for the yield alone. Reason number 2 is that you're receiving a payment in return for your investment. Pretty much you're getting an additional payment for investing into a company. Reason number 3 is that dividends are not heavily taxed. For the 2019 year, if you earn less than $40,000 on qualified dividends, you would pay no taxes. However, if you earned $40,000 from a regular job, you would have to pay 12% in taxes. The power of dividends is truly amazing. Reason number 4 is that there are plenty of dividend stocks and ETFs which provide low volatility but great dividends. Okay, let's talk about DRIP investing now. A dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, is a program that allows investors to reinvest their dividends into additional shares or fractional shares of the underlying stock on the dividend payment date. Choosing dividend stocks can be hard, but here's a good tip. Choose dividend aristocrats. A dividend aristocrat is a company that not only consistently pays a dividend to its shareholders, but also annually increases the size of its payout. A company is considered a dividend aristocrat if it raises its dividends consistently for at least the past 25 years. Alright, let's move on to the dividend yield now. The dividend yield is expressed as a percentage. It is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. It's important to remember that a stock price with a bizarre high dividend will probably not be able to continue to pay its dividend, or you may notice that the stock price itself is rapidly falling. Despite this risk, dividends tend to provide income while still allowing for the potential of stock price appreciation. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks so much for watching.